What if I told you that this person you're watching right now isn't real? And you can create videos like this without a camera, laptop, or expensive equipment. Even the person speaking right now was created using AI. Most people watching this have no idea that creating videos like this is now possible. And the best part is that you can do it for free. Let me show you the exact tools and steps used to create videos just like this.
So to get it, what you need to do, go to your Google Play Store or your Apple Store where you are downloading application on your phone, and you search for the name of this search. If it is called, you search for this app. It is called Pinterest. It is called Pinterest. As you can see, this is the app here, and you click on it and install the app on your phone. Now, when you install the app on your phone, you open it. Now, when you open the app, all you just need to do, just come down here and you search for podcast. Search for podcast. You search for podcast, you are going to see different type of images like this. You can choose any one of your choice, any one you wish to choose. You can choose it. So these are the ones that I choose. You can just choose it and select any one you wish. Anyone you wish, anyone you feel that this one is more better for you, you can choose it. Now, let me select anyone I just like right now and use it. Now, I want to use this lady's one, this one here, this one here, this one that I'm touching right now, this one. I want to use it. Then I'll just tap on it. Now, this is the one I want to use, and I'll click on this three dot here, and I'll click on download. Now, after downloading the image to my phone, the next thing I'm going to do is to go to your browser. Or you can use Opera Mini. You can just use any of your browser. Now go to your browser and you search for the name of this app. As you can see now, the website is called Image to Prompt. As you can see, just search for Image to Prompt and you are going to see the website open like this. You don't need to register. It will open like this and you are going to see where to upload image. You tap on it and you upload that image you just generate. You just download right now. You upload that image. Now you are using this website to get our prompt. Then the next thing, you click on generate prompt. So this website is going to help you generate any image prompt you want. Any image prompt you want. If you just see the image, upload it to this website and the website is going to give you the prompt used in creating that image. Now, the website has given us the prompt. As you can see, the website has given us the prompt. All you just need to do is just copy the prompt. Now, we have copied this prompt. The next thing we are going to do is to go back to our Google Play Store where we download the app earlier. Now, this time we are going to download what we call Google Flow. Just download Google Flow like this. You search for the name of the AI and you are going to see the AI like this. This one you are seeing here, this one here like this. You download this app on your phone. Now, after you download the app, you open it. Now, when you open the app, all you need to do is to register. If you have not registered account with them, you register account. And after you register account, you click on new plus new here. You just click on new project here. Now when you click on new project, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. Now you are going to see image here. Make sure you put it on image. You click on image and you put it on image and you put it on Nano Banana Pro. As you can see, Nano Banana Pro. Now the next thing you are going to do is to click on this plus icon and upload your image. Any of your image from your phone. You can upload any image from your phone. So I have plenty image of myself in my phone. Now let me show you the sample of image I'm going to upload right now. Let me just upload one image. I'm going to upload this image of myself. Let me show you the image. Now I'm trying to upload the image and I'm going to show you the image if the image is being uploaded and you guys are going to see it. Now this is the image I just upload. This is the image I want to use. This is the image of myself. Sorry. This is the image of myself that I want to use. As you guys can see, this is the image I want to use. Now just click on this plus icon. I'll click on library and upload the image again. Now after uploading the image, the next thing I'm going to do, the prompt will just copy right now. I'm going to paste the prompt here. Just paste the prompt. So I'm going to edit this prompt because it says a young woman with a long hair brown and I'm a man. So I'm going to remove this like this. I'm going to remove this like this and I'm going to write something like create image or just write something like this. Use image of me in me. Use image of me, the upload image. So to make the AI understand that you want to use this image of you and create something like this. Now, as you can see, just read it through so that you are going to change something that you don't like. Like you say, glass sitting on a white couch, wearing a black outfit, shoulder top, and black pant. So I will change this dress. I'll change it because this is a woman outfit. I'll change it to, let's say, black polo t-shirt. Now, after changing it to black polo t-shirt, and I'll read it again, say I'll change this she to he is holding his hand. I'll change this R to is together in his lap. Just change wherever you see the right he or she. Just try to change it. Behind her, change it to behind him. A large green pen. So after changing everything you need to change, the next thing you click on generate. Now it's going to generate a perfect image like that of you sitting exactly where the guest was sitting. Just allow it to load for some minutes and it's going to generate the image. Now, finally, you guys can see the image right now. This is the image it generated for us. You guys can see this is the exactly image of myself that it just generated for us right now. Now, after I generate the image, the next thing you click on this three dot up here and you click on download. So you can download this image and save it to your phone for future use. For future, if you want to create anytime you want to create video, you just use this image and start generating video. Now, this is what you need to do. The next thing you are going to do is to turn this image to the talking video you want to the talking video, and this is what you need to do. If you want to be creating the type of video I create, all you need to do is to go to ChatGPT. And if you don't know about ChatGPT, go to your Google Play Store or your Apple Store and you go and search for ChatGPT. The AI is called ChatGPT. This is the AI. Now you download it to your phone. As you can see, this is the AI tool. You download it to your phone. After you download it to your phone, you click on open. Now, after you open ChatGPT, you click on this plus icon, you click on photos. Now, you upload that your photo you just generate right now. Now, after you upload that your photo, you are going to paste this prompt. This master prompt is going to be on my Telegram channel. So, immediately you are watching this video right now, you are going to see a link in the description of this video. Just click on the link and it's going to take you guys to my Telegram channel where you are going to see this prompt. So all you just need to do, just put your video idea here. You are going to see where it says video idea. So as you can see on the prompt, just check it. You are going to see video idea. So this is what I'm going to put. I will say how to stop your phone from overeating. Let me say overeating. How to stop your phone from overeating. Then after I put my video idea, I'll click on generate. Now, ChatGPT is going to write me everything I need to start generating that video. As you can see, this is everything I need here. As you can see, this is everything I need here. Now, the only thing I need to do is to copy the first one here. It's just to copy the dialogue here. I'll just copy the dialogue. As you can see, I'll copy it below, down to this place. And after I copy it, I'll go back to the AI tool, which is Google Flow. This AI tool we use to generate our image. This Google Flow. And I'll click on new here. And after clicking on new, the next thing I'm going to do is to change this image. From this image, I'll tap on it and I will put it in video. Now, after putting it on video, you are going to see where it says Omni Flash, and you put it on Omni Flash and 10-second video. You put it on 10 seconds. Now, the next thing you are going to do is to click on this plus icon. You click on image, and you upload that your image. This image like this. You upload it, you click on done. Now, after the image is being uploaded, just give it some minutes and the image is going to be uploaded. Now, the image has successful upload. Now, the next thing you are going to do, the prompt you just copy from ChatGPT, make sure you paste it here. Now, after pasting that prompt, you click on generate and it's going to start generating your first scene. Now, this is how you are going to do it. Now, let's wait for the video to generate finish. And after the video generates, I'm going to show you guys the video. Finally, the video is generated. Now, let me click on the video and play it so that you guys are going to see.
Does your phone get hot while you're using it? Most people think it's normal, but a few simple settings could be causing the problem.
Now, this is your first scene. All you just need to do is to go back to ChatGPT again. You are going to see the second scene. The prompt I gave to you is going to write everything for you. Just copy the second scene like this. You copy the second scene. Now, after you copy it, you go back to the AI tool again, the Flow AI. You click on this plus icon, you click on library, and you upload the image again. After uploading this image, the next thing you paste that second prompt here, and you click on generate, and it's going to generate your second scene. So, and it's going to generate your second scene. After it generates your second scene, you are going to take it to CapCut, where you are going to add everything together, and I'm going to show you how you are going to do it so that your video is going to look very nice. So just pay attention very well and watch this video to the end. Let's wait for this result to complete so that I'm going to show you the next thing you are going to do. Now finally it has generated the video. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to go back to ChatGPT again. This time we are going to copy our scene 3. As you can see, our scene 3, because we have generated scene 1, scene 2. Now we are generating scene 3. We are going to copy it down here, and after we copy it, we go back to Flow AI again. We click on this plus icon, we click on library, and we are going to upload the image again. Now after putting the image, we are going to paste our prompt. Now after pasting the prompt, we click on generate again. Now it's going to generate our third scene. As you can see, we have our video 1 here, video 2 here, and it's generating our third video now. After it generates the video, we are going to take it to CapCut and match everything together. And remember, everything we are doing is free. Everything is free. You don't need to pay for anything. Now let's allow it to complete the third video so that I'm going to show you guys on CapCut how you are going to match everything together and make it look realistic video, just like you are the one talking in the video. Now it has also completed the third video. As you can see, it has also completed the third video. So let me download the videos. Let me download the 3 videos. I'll just mark them right now, and I'll click on download below here. As you can see, download below here. I'll click on this download, and it will download the videos to my phone. Now let me take you guys to CapCut and show you how we are going to import the video and edit them and add them together. Now, when you come back to CapCut, if you don't have CapCut on your phone, you can also go and download CapCut from your Apple Store or your Google Play Store. Go and download CapCut. Now, you click on new video. Now, you are going to see those your video clip. As you can see, the 3 video clip. You click on 1, 2, 3, and you add them together. Now, after you add them together, the next thing you are going to do, you are going to see the video like this. As you can see, you are going to see the video. You just play it.
Does your phone get hot while you're using it?
Now, I don't want to play this video right now to the end, but this is how the video is going to add to the end. Now, by the end of your CapCut, you remove this ending part to remove the CapCut logo. Now, this is how the video is going to look. Now, if you look at this video, you are going to see there is watermark here, and that is because the AI tool we use is free AI tool, so it comes with watermark. So this is how you are going to do it. All you just need to do, just go back here and you click on test here. You are going to see test. You click on add test, so you can put the name of your page or any name or your name. You can just put it there to cover it. You are going to say select, and you select any template here that you can use to cover that thumbnail, sorry, that watermark.
Does your phone
now
get
it has select. Now all I just need to do is just to reduce it. I'm going to reduce it with my finger. So if you don't know how to do video editing very well, you can watch my previous video. I've shown you guys how you can use CapCut to edit your video. You just drag it to the end of the video, and after you drag it to the end, you are going to see it like this. So you can do more editing by watching my previous video. You are going to see where I show you how you are going to use CapCut to edit. So you just do some editings, and after you do some editing, you click on AI avatar here, you click on AI UHD here, and you bring it to 1080p. And after that, you remove this AI Ultra and you export your video, and your video is going to look very nice.